Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I will be showing you how to change wallpaper in Brave browser. So to do that, first things first is go ahead and open up your Brave browser and select a profile. Now from here, you just simply go ahead and go to another new tab over here at the top. And now here on the new tab, you will have the gear icon over here. So click on this one. Now you will have an option to show new tab page ads. Pretty much it will be depending on you. And from here, you could be able to upload a specific background based on your preferences. And from here, as you can see, we have multiple solid colors. If you would like a solid color, and you will have a gradient as well over here. And you will have the Brave background as well. So it will be random, or you could upload your own wallpaper. So just simply locate your picture or your background that you want. And from here, you will have an option to refresh on every new tab as well. And now, of course, you should be able to have new background into your Brave browser. And of course, if it doesn't work out, you just simply close the Brave browser and then open it up again in order for it to be applied. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.